Good evening, friends. So, till now, we completed asexual reproduction in plants, and in this video, we are going to start with sexual reproduction. So, first, we'll see the introduction part. Okay. So, what happens in angiosperms? All the angiosperms are also known as flowering plants. Okay. So, here, the very prominent, highly specialized organ is known as flower, and this flower is the main reproductive structure. Okay, so this is the site for sexual reproduction, and now through this sexual reproduction we got the end results. And what are the end products of the sexual reproduction? Those are the fruits and seeds. So the life cycle of sexually reproducing plants, it undergoes alternation. Okay, means all the structures are present in two states, that is haploid and diploid and haploid, and a cycle occurs between them. So generally the flowers are and the plants are in diploid phase. You all know, also in human beings we all are in diploid phase, only the gamete part, that is haploid. Okay, so we all have the two a copy of genetic material, that is 2n. Okay, so in plants this diploid phase is known as sporophyte, and this will undergo meiosis. Meiosis is reductional cell division, means this 2n convert into n. The genetic material divides and got a single copy with single, that is n, and this n phase is known as gametophyte. And again, two gametophyte means two gametophyte, they fuse and they further form a zygote, and that zygote is in 2n phase, that is sporophyte. So this cycle continues. So here this process is meiosis, and from haploid to diploid this is fertilization. So this is the alternation of generations. So all the plant parts or the structures, that is flower, stamen, carpel, all these are alternate in this cycle. So in angiosperms, we'll see how this alternation occurs. So in angiosperms, this is a flower, and this flower is in sporophyte, that is diploid phase. So you all know flower contain two structure, a male structure and the female reproductive structure. So flowers are various kinds. It may be possible that they contain only male reproductive structure or the both. So here we are talking about the both, the flower which contains both reproductive structure, that is male reproductive structures and female reproductive structures. So see, this is stamen is male reproductive structure, and carpel is female reproductive structure. So these are in diploid state. Okay, further meiosis occurs in both of them. Meiosis occurs, and what will form? From stamen microspore will form, and this microspore is haploid. This spore is haploid. Okay, and in from carpel meiosis occurs and megaspore will form, and megaspore is also haploid. So these spores will further form male gametophyte and female gametophyte. And see, these gametes are always haploid. Okay, so these are also haploid. This will form, these are male gametes and female gametes. Further, this male gamete and female gamete will fuse, and this is known as fertilization. What is fertilization? Fusion of male and female gamete. This is fertilization. Okay, and from fertilization what will occur? This will form, that is zygote, and zygote is 2n, because see, haploid male gamete and female gamete both are haploid structure, and when both haploid structure fuses, what will form? The result will obviously, it will be diploid. So zygote, this zygote will undergo mitosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis is equational cell division, means cell will divide, but genetic material, that is DNA, it will remain diploid. Okay, so this alternation occurs. So we can see this is haploid gametophytic generation, that is in this box. This is haploid generation or gametophytic generation, and rest of all is diploid, that is sporophytic generation. So this cycle occurs in the sexual reproduction cycle of angiosperms. So this is all about alternation of generation. Thanks for watching.